Hello friends, in this video we will create an ellipse and a circle. For this we need only ellipse tool which is hidden inside our rectangle tool. Let's click and hold the rectangle tool to reveal other tools. Here it is. Now we can select the ellipse tool by clicking it. Now let's draw an ellipse. From now on I will use the term draw, which means click at a point and drag. So let's draw an ellipse. Once you are happy with the shape, leave your mouse. There you go. You have created an ellipse. Now let's create a circle. It's very simple. When you are drawing an ellipse, make sure you hold the shift key. See, now I am not holding the shift key. And now I have held the shift key. You can see the difference, isn't it? Once you are happy with the shape, leave your mouse. One thing you should remember, you should leave your mouse before leaving shift key. There is another way of creating an ellipse or circle. Just left click inside your document. There you go. You can see a window popping up asking you for the width and height. If you are drawing a circle, make sure these are equal, means width and height are same. But if you are drawing an ellipse, you can give here any width or shape as per your desire. Okay? So, in this video, we have created an ellipse and a circle. In our next video, we will explore the line tool.